My first screencasting website that's free is called Screenr, without the E. To record, all you have to do is click record. Now you can sign up with Twitter, Facebook, a Microsoft Live ID. You can sign up with a bunch of different IDs or sign up with your own account. A Google ID will also work. So I signed in using my Twitter, but that's not necessary. You can make your own account. As soon as I click record, it checks to see that your browser is okay and you have everything. And then as you can see, it pops up this rectangle. And then what you have to do is size it to whatever you want to see. So once you do that, as you can see down here, when I'm talking, it's going up and down. So it's hearing my sound. The capture size over here, I can make it full screen, any of these, or I can make it exactly the size I want. I'm going to go ahead and pick full screen. As soon as I start, by clicking the red button, it will record. And when I'm done, I can do Option D or be done. Okay? The one thing about Screenr is you only have 5 minutes for your recording. So here's our free site to record. Now I need my free site to write. So my free site to write is Dabbleboard. And since I'm in a new tab, it works fine. That's what I would suggest, making sure you use a different tab so you can do 2 free websites for the price of 1. There's a lot of things you can do without signing up for an account. So I'm going to click on it. Now remember, my screen is ready to be recorded. I just haven't started yet. And now I'm on Dabbleboard. Again, it's free. There's a lot of different features you can use with Dabbleboard. You can chat, you can invite others, you can embed things, you can embed documents, you can embed images. But I'm just going for the simple basics. So I'm going to click up here, and I'm going to click New or Clear. Gives me a choice. I'm going to clear everything. And now I'm ready to do some work. Okay. One other thing that's kind of important to remember is if you're just going to do handwriting, I'm going to click freehand and make sure that's highlighted. And then decide on the width of my lines and then which colors I'm going to use. Simple, straightforward. Remember, I don't need to log in, but it does say to save your drawings, you need to log in. But you know what? I'm saving my drawings by recording them using another free website. So I'm ready to record thanks to Screenr. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to click record. Let's pretend we're doing some spelling words. And I've got black, and let's say dog, cat, and how about pizza? Okay, let's say I wanted to circle the ones that are animals and get a different color. And I could even pass this around and have the students do it. And let's say I'm going to put a rectangle around the food. Now there's more things you can do with it, but really I'm just going for the basics. So again, remember, I'm recording this as I'm doing this. So I'm using 2 free sites at the same time. I'm recording with Screenr, but I'm writing on Dabbleboard. When you're done, click the Done button. Okay, now remember, I'm going to go back to Screenr on my Screenr tab. Okay, and it shows you a preview of your screencast. Okay, you can describe it if you're typing it. Okay, here is my screencast about free screencasts. Okay, because I can post it to Twitter. I can publish it, which would just go on the Screenr site, or I can publish it and tweet it. I can also, if I messed up, delete my screencast. I'm going to go ahead and publish it. I'm not going to tweet it. Okay, and then it shows you this bar. And then when it's done, it will publish it to their site. Now you're finished, and this is what you get. Okay, you can get a direct URL to it to post as a link to email. You can embed it in your school's website or personal website. The beauty here is you can also download the MP4 file so you can watch it. You can publish to YouTube, and you can delete the screencast. Okay, and again, you can post it to Twitter. It can also be seen on mobile devices such as the iPhone or the iPad. So, there you go. There's our first place screener using Dabbleboard.